In this video, we are looking at this beautiful shipping container community built exclusively using shipping containers. I like the use of recycled shipping container cuttings to create these covered outdoor spaces. These are expanded view of the same. This is a frontal elevation showing the two extreme units with a middle unit. This is the entrance. These amazing units are elevated off the ground. You can see the space underneath the containers is being covered by these amazing white colored grating. This is the overall view of the frontage, showing this unit on the extreme end, the other unit, and the one in the middle. Every house is accessed via a small staircase as shown because the containers are elevated off the ground. This frontal side is covered with this white grating, while the sides of the containers are covered with the cuttings recycled from the shipping container modification. This is a closer view of another unit showing the outdoor space. I like the use of this mesh wire to emphasize on the industrial touch of the building itself. This is a view of the staircase as a close-up. Another view of the frontage, a closer view of the deck, the view of the deck from another angle. This is a view of the living space showing the single-walled kitchen. It is fitted with stainless steel appliances and wooden cabinetry, both overhead and under the counter storage cabinets. That's the overall view of the studio space showing the living area with the kitchen, and the space in front is big enough to accommodate a dining and lounge areas. There's a ceiling fan and also a mini split system mounted on the wall for indoor thermal comfort. It's a closer view of the entrance to one of the units. I like the wooden floor that brings out that warm feeling to the indoors. The general view of the living space, the closer view of the kitchen, the single wall kitchen. I like the kitchen backsplash, which is fully tiled as shown. The frontal view of the kitchen, nice finishes. This is a view of one of the washrooms. You'll appreciate the quality of workmanship. A wider view of the washroom showing the fully tiled shower stall area. We have a wash and basin here with granite countertops, a big bathroom mirror, and I like the use of this shade of blue. A closer view of the bathtub area. This is a view of the laundry space and also additional closet storage. This is a view of the access to the living space. This is a view of the living space. It's big enough to accommodate dining and lounge areas. The space is given a ceiling fan to enhance indoor thermal comfort. There's also a mini split system mounted on the wall. I like the maximum daylighting provided by the big glass windows and glass fitted door view. This is a closer view of the exit door come the entrance door to the outdoor living space. This space, you can see there's this middle seam showing the connection between two shipping containers, where the indoor container walls were all removed to create an expansive indoor living space. The big glass windows are a continuous theme in all the 3 units. This is a view of one of the bedroom spaces, big enough to fit a double bed. There is also provision for a mini split system and even a ceiling fan for indoor thermal comfort. This is a view of the hallway connecting the private spaces and the more public living space. This is the overall view of the units, showing these fenced off yards for each unit, creating a bit of privacy. I like the use of these recycled shipping container walls to create elevated outdoor living spaces. This is the general view of the yard from the balcony come outdoor living space, and this is the overall view of the frontage with an amazing access. So what do you like about these shipping container units? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. You want to build or research more about shipping container homes? Nail it with our new complete guide on how to build your own container home. This guidebook includes over 300 pages of expert tips, step-by-step instructions, real examples, full color pictures, and professional illustrations structured into 14 detailed chapters. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus, a floor plan of our most popular design, a real-world case study, and a checklist to plan your building costs. Download 2 free chapters of the book now. Grab your copy today using the link in the description below and start building.